it seems like I think for whatever reason, people go through phases of their career, and with some fighters, if a fighter gets a loss or two, they start to think that fighter has started to decline. And with you, I think some people had written you off for some strange reason.
Brother. Oh, brother.
I don't get it.
Yeah, I heard the noise.
I heard it.